Hi, Victoria Loveland Cohen here, the minister at Unity Center of Peace. And if you have made a contribution to our GoFundMe campaign in order to upgrade our live stream technology, giving you and many others a better Sunday experience, I want to personally thank you. Thank you. And if you haven't yet done so, you still have time, but the window's closing. The campaign will end soon. So please click on the link now and make your donation today. When you do, you are helping us help others connect with their inner peace and learn to create a more joyous experience in life. And here's the best part. When you make a donation for a specific amount, which you'll find all about on our GoFundMe page, you will receive a beautiful selenite crystal lamp. Here's mine. Let me show you. And I'm turning it on now. So there's a light inside each one. Isn't that gorgeous? Would this not make like the perfect Christmas gift for that special someone? Or hey, maybe even yourself. We got to treat ourselves well, right? And selenite has healing properties. It can calm and clarify your mind and even open your crown chakra to higher dimensions. You see, this is a win-win for everyone. And I want you to imagine the possibilities with me. Together, we are making a positive difference in the world. So thank you.